another rainy night in Midtown, New York. So much to think about, so much to reflect on. Usually on the rainy days, I just try to figure out how to get my life together, you know. Appreciative of the sunny days when they come, the bright moments, not knowing where each day is going to take us, but just knowing that you're grateful for the chance to go on to wherever you go, to do whatever you do. I guess it's easy to be, you know, upbeat, happy, appreciative when the days are sunny, when things are going right. But what about when things are not? The rainy days help me to appreciate, you know, the ups and downs of life, the peaks and valleys, you know. Not knowing that every day is going to be the best, but it doesn't have to be the worst. And if it is, you appreciate the opportunities for what they are. Yeah. Take care, folks. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully it's productive, whether it's raining or sunshine.